Hi, Lani here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be demonstrating how I teach science lesson and integrating the content of the lesson to teaching English grammar, like the use of this is and these are in the sentence particularly. So please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell just right down below. And also, please stick with me because various activities or tests are provided for you to answer. Are you ready? So let's do some fun activity. It's a kind of warm-up activity. Music plays. When two or more substances together mixed, I want you to simply guess what it is. Oh yes, we call it mixtures, yes it is. Mixtures, mixtures, come on, let's see. Oh, I see mixtures are of two different types, homogeneous and heterogeneous types. When the combination is fully uniform, homogeneous mixtures can be formed. So let's say homogeneous. And it can be visually distinguished when the combination's not fully uniform. Heterogeneous mixtures can be formed when two or more substances together mixed. I want you to simply guess what it is. Oh yes, we call it mixtures, yes it is. Mixtures, mixtures, come on, let's see. Alright, that's the song about mixtures. Now, allow me to proceed to the lesson proper by sharing to you my slides of the lesson. Alright. So there you go. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. I think these terms are familiar to you, but anyway, let's define them. Mixtures. When we say mixtures, it is a combination of two or more substances. And mixtures are of two different types, namely homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now, what is homogeneous mixtures? Now, if the combination of two or more substances is fully uniform, what I mean is the combination is evenly distributed and there is only one part seen after the combination, and you cannot even separate them by physical means or mechanical filtration, and that is homogeneous. Example of homogeneous mixture is a solution, and a solution can be solid phase, liquid phase, or gas phase. Now, what about heterogeneous mixture? Now, if the combination is not fully uniform, what I mean is the combination is not evenly distributed and it can be easily separated. You can even pick them up and separate them into each kind, and you can see many different parts, and that is heterogeneous mixtures. Am I understood? Well done. Now, let's talk about solution. Solution has two parts, the solvent and the solute. Solvent is the liquid that dissolves a solid, and solute is a substance that is dissolved. Now, example of solvent is water, while Salt, this one is an example of solute. Now let me demonstrate to you now how to make a saline solution by mixing two substances, the water and the salt, to make a saline solution. Now I'm going to mix them together and let's see how it goes and what happens after mixing. So keep stirring, stirring, and stirring. So now, as you can see, after mixing water and salt, you can only see water. You can only see one part, which is water, and you cannot see any more sugar in it. So this is a form of liquid solution. Now, since you can only see one part after combining water and salt to make a saline solution, this mixture is a homogeneous mixture. So again, saline solution is a homogeneous mixture. This is a homogeneous mixture. Now, what are the characteristics of a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture. Solution composed of one phase could be either solid, liquid, or gas. And particles are not visible, and it does not scatter a light beam, and the components cannot be separated using mechanical filtration. All right, so I want you to see this one as I demonstrate to you heterogeneous mixtures. Now, what you can see here are mixed nuts. See? There are different things that you can see. You see this part, this dark one, and the other one, and this one. Though they are mixed together, but you can separate them and even pick them one by one. And you see, the mixtures are of many kinds. They are visible. So this is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Right? I hope I understood, and I hope I am understood and everything is clear to you. So I want you to look at these two illustrations. Now, focus on the illustration on your left and just try to see how the two substances are being combined. So there are two substances being mixed together here, as represented by the red color and blue color. What do you think is this? Is it homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture? Right. This is heterogeneous mixture. What makes it heterogeneous mixture? Now, as you can see, in the upper part, all the substances in red color gathered together, and at the bottom of it, all the substances in blue color gather together. So they are not evenly distributed. So this kind of mixture is heterogeneous mixture. Now let us see the illustration on your right. Now, definitely, this is a homogeneous mixture. Again, this is homogeneous mixture. As you can see, the two substances here represented by red and blue color, they are evenly distributed from the beginning from the top, up to the bottom. So there is an equal distribution of substances. All right, now have a look at these two pictures. This is homogeneous mixture. It's coffee, right? So as you can see, you can only see the liquid thing in black color. Other than that, you cannot see another part of it. Another picture, this one shows a heterogeneous mixture. Again, this is heterogeneous mixture. As you can see, it's very visible. You can see this one, tomato, and you can even pick them up one by one. So it's easy to separate them. So it is, again, this is heterogeneous mixture. Now, these are examples of homogeneous mixtures: air, vinegar, rubbing alcohol, dishwashing liquid, steel, and brass. While these are examples of heterogeneous mixtures: cereal in milk, pizza, ice in soda, mixed nuts, and vegetable soup. So again, you have learned that mixtures are of two different types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous refers to the solution resulting from a completely uniform mixture of two or more substances that cannot be visually differentiated, while heterogeneous mixture comprises two or more substances that cannot be distinctly observed and even separated relatively easily. Now, let's do it. I'll give you 5 minutes to think of the correct answer for each questions as they appear on your screen. All right, so first picture, this is heterogeneous. This one is homogeneous. As you can see, you can only see one face here, while this one is heterogeneous. So you can see dark thing and you can easily remove it out from this one. So this one also is heterogeneous. It's visible. You can see different parts of the mixture. While the last one is homogeneous mixtures. This one is an example of a solid solution. What kind of mixtures do these pictures show? Tell something about them using "this is" and "these are" in complete sentence. All right. This is heterogeneous mixture. Okay? While these are homogeneous mixtures. All right. Well done. For your assignment, you're going to cut out pictures of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures and make a picture book describing each picture using "this is" and "these are" in a complete sentence. I hope this makes sense. Thank you for watching and listening. This has been your friend, Lenny Ramos. If you have some questions, please click the link www.facebook.com/Lenny English Teacher. Mabuhay Pilipinas!